Today we are in this estate that is off Eastern Bypass in a locality called the Afro Sayari. The estate itself is exactly 3.5 kilometers from the Eastern Bypass and exactly 100 meters from the tarmac. The first phase of this estate will contain 4 courts, and this is the first court, and it will contain 28 units. Behind me you have the show house, and it's a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 195 square meters. The price of each home in this court is 12.6 million. This is African Real Estate, and my name is Mongai Kihara. Let's get started. Each home comes with a 2-car parking like this one, a front yard that extends to the rear, and this is the main entrance. Before we get inside, if you come here and say you have been sent by Mongai Kihara, they'll give you a discount. From the entrance, I'm fascinated by the beauty of everything. This living room comes with floor-to-ceiling windows, and they bring you maximum natural light. It makes everything look very airy, and this home gets the indoor-outdoor environment that everyone requires. This part of the window opens to give you an access to your garden. As you can see, this living room comes with very well-crafted gypsum ceilings, and I like how the developer has hidden the curtain rods under this skirting. This side will act as the focal point of this home, and this is where you do your electronics. On the other side, you have the main window, and it will direct all the morning sun rays to this living room. This access will take you to the kitchen, and on my far front, you have the dining area of this home. The dining area is big enough to fit a 6-seater dining set like this one, or a bigger dining set. This space is sufficient for your family, and you even have a space for a cabinet like this one. The dining area comes with a massive floor-to-ceiling window, and from here you'll get the best views to the rest of the estate. On this other side, the dining area opens to the kitchen through this access, and below the access you have extra cabinetry for all the cutlery and the crockery that you normally use. From here, I'll take you to the kitchen, and the access to the kitchen is on this other side. This kitchen is a big space, and I love it. This is where you do your refrigerator, and on the opposite side you have your sink area. The sink area is a double sink, and it comes with a tilting faucet. I like it that the sink area is just next to the window for maximum natural light as you are doing your dishes. On the opposite side, the kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and here you have your 5-burner cooktop. Below it you have its oven, and above it you have its hood. This kitchen comes with dark granite countertops all over, and this is where the kitchen opens to the dining area. On the opposite side, you have this door that opens to the clotheslines area, the laundry area, and the kitchen garden. Come with me. This is the laundry area, and it is an extension porch from the kitchen. This space is enough for your washer and dryer, and here you have your clotheslines area. On my right hand side, you have the kitchen garden, and it extends on the other side to join the front yard. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, we are at the center of the building, and here you have these stairs that will take you to the upper level. This is the entrance to the guest bedroom, and on my right hand side you have the common bathroom. At the entrance of the common bathroom you have a wash basin. The common bathroom utilizes the space under the stairs, and I like it that the developer understands the essence of each square foot. I'll take you to the guest bedroom. At the entrance of the guest bedroom, you have the guest bathroom. As you can see, the guest bathroom is of a standard size, and it comes with all the common fixtures that you may require. On the far end of the guest bathroom, you have a shower cubicle. From here, let me show you the rest of the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is of a standard size, and if you have employees, this room will double as the employee quarters. On my right hand side, you have the guest closet, and it's opposite to the window of this bedroom. The closet comes with numerous spaces for your foldable and your hangable clothes. And down there, you have extra drawers. Above it, you have extra spaces for the things that you rarely use. From here, I'll take you to the upper levels. On this level, you have the 3 bedrooms and the family room. We will start with the family room that also doubles as the entertainment room. When this room is used as a family room or an entertainment room, you'll have a similar setup. But when this room is used as an office or a study, you'll have a similar space for an office, or you will have extra desks for the children in school. From the entertainment room, this is the first bedroom. Next to it, you have the second bedroom, and on my left hand side, you have the primary bedroom. We will start with the first bedroom here. This bedroom adopts the same concept that we found in the guest bedroom, and it comes with its washroom at the entrance. This washroom is exactly similar to the one that we saw in the guest bedroom, and it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. I'll show you the rest of the bedroom. From there, you can see that this bedroom comes with a 5x6 bed. This bedroom is targeting the bigger kids, and it comes with an extra space here for your side drawers. The bedroom comes with a massive window, and from here, your bigger kids will have the best views of the rest of the estate. On the far front, this bedroom comes with a slightly bigger closet than the one that we found in the guest bedroom, and it comes with the spaces here and here for the hangable clothes, and on the far end you have these spaces for all your foldable clothes. From here, I'll take you to the second bedroom. From the first bedroom, this is the second bedroom. The second bedroom adopts the similar concept to the ones that we found in the other bedrooms, but this one is targeting the smaller children, and its bathroom is here. This bathroom is just similar to the one that I showed you in the first bedroom. As this bedroom is targeting the younger kids, I like the concept of a very low bed. This is very good because you can't have any incidences of accidents. This bedroom comes with a slightly smaller closet, and from here I'll take you to the primary bedroom. From the small kids bedroom, this is the primary bedroom. And have you noticed something? The small kids bedroom is just next to the primary bedroom. So if you have a small kid, you can easily crisscross between this bedroom and the primary bedroom. That's nice. Let's get in. Wow. This is the primary bedroom, and it's massive. This bedroom comes with its bathroom on this side and its closet on this other side. The closet has been set to act as his and hers. That means that you can use this closet for yourself, and this other one can be used by your partner. At the center, you have your dresser, and it comes with 2 drawers for your jewelries. This bedroom opens to its balcony through this big access, and this access acts as the window to this bedroom and also a door to the balcony. From this balcony, you'll get the best views to the front side of this estate, and from here, you'll enjoy the best morning sunshine. On the other side, you have the bathroom of this bedroom, and I like it that you have a space here for a couch, and this is where you can sit while you're having your evening prayers or just reading a book before you go to bed. I'll show you the bathroom. This is the biggest bathroom, and it comes with its water closet here and a shower cubicle next to it. In the shower cubicle, you have your handheld and a rain shower. On the other side of this bathroom, you have your wash basin, and you have this space that can be used for a mini jacuzzi. From here, I'll take you to the upper level. The roof deck covers a space of around 95 square meters, and from here you'll easily do your meetings or enjoy a barbecue, or from here you can enjoy the best views to the rest of the estate and the larger Eastern Bypass area. From this other side of the roof deck, you can see that the rest of the court is under construction, and if you miss to purchase this specific unit, you are welcome to purchase any of the others. This roof deck comes with its washroom on the other side. Let me show you. At the entrance of the washroom, you have a wash basin. This makes it very easy for you to wash your hands if you are doing other activities around the roof deck without getting into the washroom. The washroom is a standard toilet with a water closet and a tissue holder. That's all for this washroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you have ready cash, come and purchase these houses right now. But if you want to do a mortgage or pay in installments, kindly check the description below. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.